The various WhatsApp message templates your company uses are different. Do you know which one's better? Hello, I'm Luca from the Sirena support team. In this video, I'd like to show you the differences between the WhatsApp business message templates that your company can use. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to receive your answer. We're going to compare the two types of message templates you can use in WhatsApp. The first type is the quick response templates. This template will help you prevent having to write the same text over and over. The other type is the pre-approved WhatsApp templates for initiating a conversation between your company and your clients. Watch until the end of the video when I'll show you a template shortcut and how to customize them. Let's start with quick responses. This template option is very useful for commonly repeated questions that come in all the time in WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. For example, can you send me more information? What are your prices? What payment methods do you accept? Has my issue been solved? Are there any special offers this week? As soon as you receive one of these frequently asked questions, you can search in the list of response templates that you have already prepared and send them without having to type it out again. I'll put a link in the description where you can see how to create a quick response template in Sirena for your business. On the other hand, there are the message templates that have been pre-approved by WhatsApp Business. In order to avoid spamming, WhatsApp and Facebook allow companies that use their business tools to initiate conversation only if they comply with their usage policies. WhatsApp mainly rejects templates with promotional messages or threatening content. Therefore, it's important to check which type of messages are allowed and which aren't. This type of template has the purpose of recontacting a client or a transactional message connected to some action the client did. For example, when you buy a pair of shoes, you could receive a WhatsApp message from the business confirming your purchase. This type of pre-approved templates can be used to send mass messages through WhatsApp Business. I'll put another link in the description to show you how to request a template to start WhatsApp conversations in Sirena. As you can see, although both template types help you to communicate more quickly with your clients, there are big differences between them. Which one do you think is better? Now I want to show you how easy it is to access Sirena's templates list. Just type in the shortcut bar, write the title of the template and send. You can also customize the messages with saved or open data fields to improve communication with your clients. Remember to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with Sirena's latest features. Now you can continue with your next training video.